Welcome to The Dish, where I help healthy diners navigate Toronto's food scene.
Noodles tossed with vegetables, chicken, herbs, and tofu. Pad Thai should be a healthy bet when dining out. But over the years, the dish has yet to find a Pad Thai that can be classified as healthy. Most have way too many noodles and a lot of salt. But what about the vegan version of Pad Thai served at Rawlicious? Is this the healthy Pad Thai that readers are longing for? I'll tell you in a minute. First, let's do a roundup of Pad Thais previously reviewed by The Dish. At Spring Rolls, Pad Thai made with shrimp and chicken clocks in with 1,400 calories and almost 50 grams of fat. That's like eating 3.5 filet-o-fish sandwiches. Pad Thai from Thai Express didn't fare much better. This meal, packed into a cute takeout container, has more than twice the number of calories recommended for a lunch. The chicken Pad Thai from Salad King, that ever-popular Toronto restaurant, has 1,100 calories and a staggering 3,500 milligrams of sodium, and about the same as dumping 1.5 teaspoons of salt on your meal. So what about the vegan version of Pad Thai? This raw-style meal served with kelp noodles and strips of zucchini as the base clocks in with just 245 calories. That's half the number that nutrition experts say to aim for at lunch. So finally, a calorie-conscious, salad-like version of Pad Thai. But would you eat it? Let me know in the online poll below. I can't wait to hear what you think. For The Dish, I'm Ogilvie.